Hello, everyone. I hope you're having a great week. So, for this weekly lean improvement, I want to propose a solution in order to track the PPC for all of our projects. So, as you know, Clickup doesn't allow to get a custom range of dates and make it compare like, hey, how many tasks did I create versus how many tasks I've done so you can get the PPC. That's not possible on Clickup in that way, but I create a solution. So you need to create a dashboard, and on this dashboard that you can make many things here, but we're gonna focus on creating a custom pie chart. This custom pie chart, it's gonna be getting the data from a custom field that it's gonna be called a status. This status will have two labels, will be done and not completed. And well, I will show you I've created three automations. So every single time you create a task, let's name it randomly, like this. We create it, and the automation set the status field as not completed, and the weekly work plan field that it's only a label as current week. This is the tool that is going to allow us to see the PPC every single week and not the historical PPC. So these are two automations. So change the status to not completed and add the weekly work plan as current week. So that's two automations. And the third automation, it is something very cool that I discovered. You can set a date to make an action on ClickUp. So here every single week, for the example, I put it on Monday at the beginning of the day. uh, ClickUp will change the label of weekly work plan from current week to past. That's gonna be automatic. That's the cool way. That's the cool thing because thanks to this automation, you don't need to worry about anything. You just every single week, the status of the past week will change from current week to past in an automatic way, despite ClickUp cannot get custom ranges of dates. And thanks to that, you'll be able to track the KPI, the PPC. So you can set this date, for instance, let's say you have the tacticals every single Friday at 2 p.m., and that's the time when you transfer the data from your weekly work plans to ClickUp, every activity for the next week. So if that's at 2 p.m., you can put this to change the status of the weekly work plan label to past on Fridays at 1:30 p.m., 1:30. So ClickUp will change the status, and then after that, you'll transfer the data for the next week's activities, and all of them will be added as current week, so you can track the KPI. So that's how it works. And the last step on here is you're gonna filter your pie chart with the weekly work plan label that is current week. So I hope you like it. With this, you don't need to worry about anything. You just need to create a task. And every single time you complete a task, you just need to change it to done. And that's it. Actually, I'm going to show you. I'm going to refresh the dashboard. Oh, I think, yeah, actually it was refreshed just now. And yeah, you'll be always be able to see the weekly PPC for your projects. I hope you like it and see you next week.